Hi, my name is John Zink with AVI-SPL, and one of the new services that we're offering to our customers is the ability to take your rooms, lay them out, and give you the ability to see how the cameras work, how the microphones work, and then make sure that everybody in the room has the ability to have the best experience. When we lay them out, we can put them in based on the furniture and ensure that the cameras and the audio are all optimized for the people that are in the area. When you get done, we can make changes and we'll do whatever we need, but we want to make sure that that system is optimized for that room and you get the very best customer experience available.
And then just say the name of the website.
The name of the website is AVI-SPL.com. And it is virtual, that's where you can look up our virtual reality, but you can also reach out to us and we can show it to you.